getting ready to put the head down on the engine. All the gaskets are in. Camshafts lubricated. Crushed seals are in for the liners here. The trick is not to lose any of those gaskets. The hardest gasket to get on is this perimeter gasket. Alright, just put some peanut butter on the head bolts so we can torque them down. Okay, coming in for the final torque. I had to get my 3/4 inch dry socket out for this one. That's 180 foot-pounds. Well, there you go, guys. The head's torqued down. Ready to assemble the rest of the engine now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and again, thanks a lot, and take care.